Hey YouTube, how's it going? Are you experiencing issues with Windows Explorer crashing anytime you try and right click on, even right click on a application icon on your desktop to say run it as administrator, or anytime maybe you just need to rename a file, you right click, Explorer crashes on you? Well, this video is for you. I'm going to show you a very simple way to fix this. This is what fixed it for me, and it was very, very simple. This has also corrected a few other issues with my system as well, such as YouTube would cause a system lockup for about 5 seconds, and everything would just continue as normal. That corrected that as well. So if you're having some just really weird, dumb issues, this may fix a lot of those for you. I know for sure right clicking and then having Windows Explorer crash on you is definitely one that it will for sure 100% take care of, as this is what I did. There is one program that you have to download. I will link that in the description below to where you can go download that. I have uploaded it as a zip folder to my MediaFire drive to where you can download it. It is 100% safe. I did make sure that before I uploaded it, as I don't want to give you guys a virus on your computer just to make more or less add insult to injury more or less at that point. So let's go ahead and we'll flip on over to the desktop here. We'll go ahead and I will show you what you need to do. Welcome to my desktop here. So the first thing that you're going to have to do is you are going to have to download a very small application. It doesn't need to be installed. It just runs right from the folder that it's downloaded in after you extract it. It is in a zip folder. So the download link for that will be in the description below. This is the folder here, so you just click it, hit download, and off to the races you go. I already have it downloaded here. It's going to prompt you for admin privileges. Just say yes, because if you say no, it won't run it. Expand this. You want to go to options, filter by extension type, and you want to filter by context menu. And because I've already done this, you'll see these are the ones that, for me, because they're gray, I've already disabled them. So you just want to go ahead and hit control, select any of them that are like a faint, highlighted in red, and then click disable selected item. Once you have done that, you want to come down to Task Manager, ignore that, but you want to scroll down in background processes. And you want to hit restart. And then you should have no issue right clicking on anything here. You should be able to right click. You'll have full access to all the options. That's what I did on my system to fix it. I hope this fixes this issue for all of you guys as well, because I know it was very, very frustrating for me when I was trying to rename a file and I couldn't, or when I was trying to right click to run something as administrator. It was definitely frustrating, but I was able to figure it out, and I've been happy ever since. Like I said, it has also corrected a issue with YouTube playback on my system as well. So if you're experiencing videos where they're freezing or locking up on YouTube briefly, then these two issues might actually be linked together, and this little simple fix will help take care of that for you as well. So I hope this has helped some of you correct the Windows Explorer crashing when you right click on it, like any files or icons or anything like that. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you don't like the video. If for whatever reason you don't like the video, tell me why in the comment section below, as well as hit the subscribe button, as well as hit the little bell notification to be notified when I post new videos or go live on YouTube. As well as feel free to head on over to all my social links in the description below. And follow me on Twitter, Instagram, as well as I have a Facebook page. All that information is in the description below. And stay tuned for the next one.